first 3 years of teaching in Southern California in a lovely district with all my health benefits covered. When I moved up to the East Bay area, I assumed that any district I chose would have the same benefits for teachers. I was interested in teaching in the Mount Diablo Unified School District because of the number of Title I schools and the opportunity to make a real difference in the lives of underprivileged students. I signed my contract not knowing that years earlier, the teachers had decided to get rid of health benefits in lieu of a significant pay raise. The problem was that since that time, the district had not agreed to any other pay increases for the teacher's salary schedule. So even though the salary was comparable to surrounding school districts, I had to pay out of my pocket every month to cover my medical expenses, which greatly reduced my monthly take-home pay. I could barely afford to cover my own health care expenses, and it was completely out of the question to cover my husband. He went without health care for 4 years. Our union and our teachers worked hard at the bargaining table to try to get even a cost of living increase added to our salary schedule after years of not changing. We showed our support in many ways and tried for years to have our voices heard. I have to say that teacher morale was rather low. You start to internalize the messages that you get from your district. You're not valued, you're not appreciated. I remember how the district used to send a little gift to the teachers during a teacher appreciation week. Our school would actually pack them up and send them back to the district office. We certainly did not feel that all our work and effort that we put into our teaching equaled the mug. It's certainly difficult to teach in such an environment. My husband and I had talked about having children, but we knew that it would be financially impossible if I stayed at Mount Diablo. It was with a heavy heart that I made the decision to move to San Ramon before we started trying. The fact that there were affordable choices of healthcare made me feel very welcome and confident when I started at San Ramon. That was one worry that I didn't have to think about when I was working with my students. I've been very delighted working with the teachers and students here in the San Ramon Valley, but I sometimes think about the students back in Mount Diablo. They deserve quality teachers as well, and it's not fair that better teachers are forced to leave because of similar circumstances. It would be a tragedy if a similar situation happened here in San Ramon. Teachers have enough challenges they face, they shouldn't have to worry about their health insurance.